The best dash cams for front and rear coverage offer superior safety and convenience for drivers. These devices provide high-definition video recording of both the front and rear views, ensuring complete evidence in the event of accidents or incidents. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best dash cam front and rear you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The 70MI-A800 Dual Vision Dash Cam is an advanced, high-performance camera designed for comprehensive road recording. Featuring 4K UHD resolution for the front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it offers dual vision to capture both the road ahead and behind, providing clear, detailed footage for enhanced safety. Ideal for Uber, Lyft drivers, commuters, and families, the rear camera installs easily without the need for complex wiring. Equipped with a Sony IMX4 sensor and a 7-layer f1.8 glass lens, the A800S ensures exceptional night vision and image clarity, adjusting automatically to lighting changes for optimal recording in all conditions. It also boasts dual-band 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for faster data transfers, allowing you to adjust settings, preview footage, and share videos effortlessly via the 70My app. The advanced driver assistance system provides real-time voice alerts for lane drifting and forward collision risks, enhancing driver awareness. The built-in G-sensor locks important footage during a collision or abrupt event, while loop recording ensures continuous operation. Supporting microSD cards up to 256 GB, this dashcam combines cutting-edge features for reliable, high-quality, and secure driving footage. The BOTSLAB G980H dashcam offers a comprehensive and highly advanced solution for both front and rear monitoring, delivering exceptional features tailored to driving safety and security. Its front camera captures true 4K resolution with the Sony IMX4 sensor, ensuring superior clarity even on dark roads. The rear camera, optimized through BOTSLAB's algorithm, provides near 2K quality, enhancing your overall driving experience. Equipped with ADAS, features driven by a 1.5T OPSAINPU chip, the G980H alerts you to potential risks, such as pedestrian collisions, lane departures, and vehicle movements ahead. Driver fatigue warnings every 2 hours ensure you remain focused on the road. When parked, the camera remains active with 24/7 parking mode, offering theft and vandalism protection. The G980H can record emergencies while your car is off with the necessary hard wiring kit. Wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front, 150 degrees rear, provide up to 6 lanes of coverage with a simple installation process, including a static sticker for a residue-free setup. GPS integration and automatic emergency video locking provide additional safety. The P1 Duo 4K dashcam front and rear offers exceptional clarity with its dual camera setup. The front camera captures ultra-clear 4K footage at 3840 by 2160p 30 frames per second through a 170-degree wide-angle lens, while the rear camera records stunning 1080p video at 150-degree wide-angle, ensuring full coverage for your vehicle. This provides unmatched evidence whether on highways or urban streets. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, the P1 Duo allows seamless control via the Pelsi Cam app. You can instantly preview, download, replay, and edit footage directly from your smartphone, enhancing convenience. The voice-activated control feature enables hands-free operation, allowing you to capture photos, lock videos, or manage audio recording simply by speaking a command. Its excellent night vision, supported by a 1.5f aperture and 6-layer optical precision, ensures clear, distortion-free images even in low-light environments. Whether capturing license plates or road signs, the camera excels in dark conditions. With 24-hour parking mode, the Dashcam continues monitoring when your vehicle is parked. The Suvcon Dashcam offers an advanced 3-channel recording system, providing a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, 150-degree cabin camera, and 150-degree waterproof rear camera. This extensive coverage minimizes blind spots, ensuring you capture the full scope of your surroundings. Equipped with an IPS screen, the Dashcam provides clear, distortion-free visuals at any angle, making it easier to view footage without compromise. The built-in G sensor detects sudden shocks or collisions, triggering emergency recording to lock critical footage. This feature is complemented by the parking monitor, ensuring security while your car is stationary. Loop recording ensures efficient storage management by overwriting older files when memory limits are reached, with interval options for 1 or 3 minutes. A 32GB SD card is included, eliminating the need for an additional purchase. The Suvcon Dashcam excels in low-light environments thanks to its superior WDR technology and 4 infrared LED lights, allowing for enhanced clarity at night. The Vantrue N5 is a cutting-edge 4-channel dashcam that offers unparalleled 360-degree coverage with its dual-core processor, featuring 4 cameras, a 158-degree front camera, 160-degree front cabin camera, 160-degree rear cabin camera, and 165-degree rear camera. This design ensures no blind spots, recording at a maximum resolution of 2.7K for front and rear views and 1080p for the cabin cameras. The Dashcam's versatility allows you to choose between various recording modes, including 1CH, 2CH, 3CH, and 4CH, depending on your needs. A standout feature is its industry-first rear cabin camera, which captures the trunk, back seat, and side windows, offering peace of mind by monitoring pets, kids, or valuables. Enhanced by Starvis 2 technology and infrared night vision, the N5 records sharp footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for Uber, Lyft, or commercial fleet drivers. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and OTA upgrades, the N5 ensures fast data transfer and precise location tracking. Additionally, the 24/7 buffered parking mode records motion or collision-triggered events when the car is off, while voice control reduces distractions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.